Filipino-Korean Jasmine Lee, who won a parliament seat in South Korea, is the pride of her family. But her entry into politics is still admittedly a surprise. This report tells us Lee's mother hopes her daughter's unprecedented victory will help raise the standing of Filipinas in South Korea.
Loida Villanueva could not contain her excitement as she heard the news that her daughter Jasmine Lee won a seat in South Korea's parliament, the first Filipina and naturalized Korean to do so. Lee's mom says she was surprised Jasmine is in politics since she knows her daughter to be simple and reserved.
So Monday morning, na nagtanaw ko ng TV, merong pinaplas na ang nakalagay doon, fully blooded Pinay, run for parliament seat in South Korea. Yung morning na yon, alam ko, nanindig na yung balahibo ko kasi alam ko anak ko yon. Masunurin, hindi nga siya marunong sumagot kung nagagalit ako.
Loida also says while her daughter earned success in other fields, she never imagined Jasmine will enter and let alone win an election in her adopted home.
Plain housewife lang siya talaga doon for how many years sa Korea. Nung mamatay ang kanyang husband, siguro naging kilala siya ng mga tao doon kasi binigyan din siya ng position noon ng kilala niya na politiko din sa Korea. Naging NGO siya sa government, naging government employee din siya. Then meron siyang mga commercials sa kanilang sa tourism. Meron din silang commercial sa tourism na nakita ko. Then sa immigration, parang nagta-translate siya doon.
Lee grew up in Davao and met her Korean husband Lee Ding-ho in 1994 when she was still a college student at the Ateneo de Davao. She later moved to Seoul and became a naturalized Korean citizen in 1998. Lee became a widow 2 years ago. Aside from being a social worker, Lee has dabbled in movies and TV hosting.
Sa TV muna siya talaga, parang yung anchor woman. Then sumunod yung 2010, nakaano na lang ako na may pelikula na siya doon sa Korea. Nadinalhan gani niya kami ng mga books niya, tsaka magazine nila doon, mga movie week na magazine. Pinakita niya sa akin na nandoon siya. Sabi ko, sikat na anak ko kasi nasa mga front page pagod siya ng mga magazine nila.
But Lee's mother was most proud of her daughter's volunteer work helping the growing immigrant community in Korea. Lee is the Secretary General of Waterdrop, a charity formed by foreign wives of Koreans. She's also a team manager of another non-government organization there. Loida says Lee's feat should give Filipinas a good name.
Ang tingin kasi nila doon sa Pilipinas parang below yung hindi maganda ang pagtanaw lang ngayon na nandoon na si Jasmine na dala din niya yung ng Pilipina doon sa mga Pilipino sa Korea.
Loida says her daughter promised to visit Davao before Lee assumes her seat as a Korean lawmaker on June 1st.